Who doesn't love a tabletop fountain? It's the ideal accent piece and it really ties your living room together. But did you know that your fountain can do much more than just sit there and look pretty?
It's true. In addition to providing a great centerpiece for your coffee table, your tabletop fountain also offers a great number of health benefits for your mind and body. Stay tuned and we'll discover the many great benefits of owning a tabletop fountain.
Nothing is more relaxing than the sound of running water. In fact, many sleep soundtracks include the sounds of flowing streams or trickling water. Placing a tabletop fountain on your nightstand can help lull you to sleep. Tabletop fountains produce waterfall sounds that are soft and repetitive. These sounds create a tranquil atmosphere that can make it easier to fall asleep. These fountains can also help drown out annoying sounds like dogs barking, traffic, or noisy neighbors so you can sleep peacefully.
Not only can the calming sounds of a fountain help you sleep,
they can also help you de-stress. According to a study conducted by the University of Sussex, the sounds of nature, including running water, can help dramatically lower your stress levels. These sounds can also help you improve your concentration and focus by drowning out annoying sounds and creating a white noise effect to help you focus on your work. During the long winter months, the air in your home can quickly dry up, leading to dry skin and headaches.
Indoor fountains can help relieve these problems by adding moisture back into the air. Unlike traditional humidifiers, you don't need to constantly refill your fountain.
The water simply continues to recirculate. In order to humidify the room properly, choose a fountain whose size is proportionate to the room. Larger rooms will require a larger fountain, while smaller fountains can humidify smaller rooms. When we think of air pollution, most of us picture smog-filled air in traffic-filled city streets.
But the air inside your home can also be filled with everyday air pollutants like dust,
pet dander, and dead skin cells. These pollutants are positive ions and feature a positive charge, which makes them lightweight and causes them to float through the air. Indoor fountains are able to purify the air by releasing negative ions which neutralize the positive ions without using expensive filters that need to be constantly replaced. This makes your air healthier and cleaner.
There's so many reasons to love an indoor fountain. They can help you sleep peacefully, calm your mind, clean and moisturize the air, and of course add beauty to wherever you place them. Want to find the perfect indoor fountain for your home? Check out our wide selection of Sunnydaze indoor fountains. My name is Josh, and thank you very much for watching.
Do you have an idea for a future subject? Comment below and we'll do our best to get around to it.